Come learn psychology of Bhagavad Gita with me verse by verse. In the verse 10, Duryodhana is again saying that our army, which is protected by Bhishma, has unlimited power, whereas their army of Pandavas, is protected by Bhim and their powers are pretty limited. But looking at all the previous verses, we know by now that he is not being true to himself. He is actually pretty afraid and he is scared of the mighty warrior Bhim, who is extremely powerful. If we look at the psychology behind this verse, it is showing that Duryodhana is speaking in conflicted speech where he is not being true to himself. He is trying to talk himself into strength. It's kind of like, fake it till you make it, but it's not really what's going to be helpful for him on the battlefield here. If I talk about it in terms of modern day, we can see that so many times we're underconfident and then we try to fake our confidence just to show our co-workers or our competitors or other people around us, even though underneath we're fearing someone's strengths, and that is not really helpful for us, because even if you can fake it one time, your performance is still going to be the way that you feel about yourself. So a quick tip for all of you who are facing this issue, that instead of faking your confidence, really try to face all your fears. Ask yourself that what is it that is triggering me about the other person, or what am I really afraid of, and then try and face those fears. Just know that anything that is triggering you is trying to teach you something about your growth. So as soon as you take care of it, you will be on the path to success. Follow me for more such videos where we will be uncovering the psychology of Bhagavad Gita verse by verse.